Looking at question 13, they talk about data from the Census Bureau and the percentage of Hispanics by each type of Hispanic from the census in 2010. And it asked me two questions about what percent of Hispanics in the United States were Mexican and what percent of Hispanics were Puerto Rican. And the point here is that it's a little tough to tell from a pie graph. This is not an easy thing to figure out. Of course, if I extend this line, I can tell that over here I have 50%, and then this is some more, but it's not another 25%. The textbook says about 63% of Hispanics were of Mexican descent. And then it says that this segment right here is about 9%. And I wouldn't expect your numbers to be exactly the same, of course, unless you utilize the back of the book, which I recommend. But the point is that you just can't tell exactly, but you can certainly get a pretty good idea. You can tell that other is more than Puerto Rican. You can tell that Central American is less than Puerto Rican. You can tell that Cuban is way less than Puerto Rican. And we wouldn't want to be confused and say that Cuban is the smallest, because there's some others that are joined together to make the other category. Obviously, Hispanics of Mexican descent take up the lion's share of that data from the Census Bureau.